everyone, my name's Dr. Sheila Kanani and I've written Can You Get Jellyfish in Space for World Book Day 2024. And now I would like to share with you a children's book that I have read in the last year. And I've read this with my children. I absolutely love it. It's called Meanwhile Back on Earth and it's by Oliver Jeffers. And I really love all of Oliver Jeffers' books, but I really was excited to read that one, Meanwhile Back on Earth, because it is bringing together two of the things that I think are fantastic, and that's the history of humans and also information about planets and the solar system. And what happens is a dad and his two children get in a car and they go on a journey, but instead of going on a journey within the Earth, they go off out into space. And as they travel further and further and look back, because of the way light travels, what you're actually doing is looking back in history. So the further they get out in space, the further back in history they're seeing the Earth. So we're learning about the planets and the solar system and time travel and light travel, but at the same time we're learning about the history of the Earth, and also it's beautifully illustrated. And I think everything about Oliver's work is exceptional. So check out Meanwhile Back on Earth by Oliver Jeffers, but also have a look at his other books like Here We Are, because they always bring together humanity and space. And those are the two things that I find are really, really interesting. And I know in Here We Are, one of his key messages is to be kind. And I think being kind is one of the most important things that anyone can do. Enjoy! I wanted to share with you a fiction children's book that I've been reading with my 7-year-old at the moment, and it's called Space Band by Tom Fletcher, off of the amazing pop band as well. Space Band is about a group of young people who are in a band, and they desperately want to be the best band in their school, and they enter a competition, and suddenly they are sent up into space to take part in an intergalactic space band competition to save the Earth. We are absolutely loving the mixture of music and science in the book, and the characters are fantastic. They're really relatable, and the most exciting bit is there are little QR codes on the pages, and you can scan the QR codes and they take you to the actual music that the space band is playing. So not only can you read the book, but you can also listen to the music as well. It's super fun. Check it out.